on September the 27th. This area that we're standing in right now had water about to my top of my head.
With the Cherokee River being one of the main tributaries where everything comes down out of the mountains, it just wiped this area out. And Jeff is a retired Washington County building inspector. So we got together and we worked on these properties. And we've done a total of 7 partnering with master services. With this house, the river came up and wiped the original house off its foundation. And so they moved into a camper. And I had a meeting with Jeff, just to follow up, see how things had been going. And he asked if we could step in and help. So we have had 2 of our crews coming up here, helping me out. And we're just trying to get the electrical fixed.
At the house we're standing in front of, we had to strip it down, all the sheetrock down. One of the most important things was to look at the foundation. It had damage, and then Master Foundations was nice enough to come up and wanted to help. And this house here, they did some treatments of the wood. They did encapsulation of the crawl space for us.
The people we've connected with is truly, I believe with all my heart, that God put us here as a ministry and as a company to work with people like Jeff, Noah, Kristen, all the folks that we've been involved with. And everything that we do in ministry is guided by God. We're a faith-based ministry. I love working for a company that is led by a man of faith, Dustin, and the team that we have that's willing to jump in and help people. And they don't look for anything in return. They just, the question is, how can we help?
Through the gracious gift of time that volunteers gave us, and time and money that different organizations and companies gave us, we've been able to start rebuilding this area. And this house now, a lady and her young daughter live here, and they are able to return back to their home and at least hopefully get back to a normal life that all changed on that day.